earbuds or AirPods, air conditioner, air conditioning unit, air cooler, air pump, alarm clock, baby bottle sterilizer, baby bottle warmer, blender or mixer, Bluetooth speaker, calculator, CD player, ceiling fan, ceiling light, coffee machine, chocolate fountain, computer, digital camera, deep fat fryer, curling iron, dehumidifier, dishwasher, DVD player, electric blanket, electric can opener, electric kettle, electric citrus press, electric drill, electric drum kit, electric guitar, electric heater, electric knife sharpener, electric razor or electric shaver, electric scooter, electric screwdriver, electric toothbrush, electric whisk, electrical switchboard, extension reel, extractor hood, food processor, food spa, freezer, fridge or refrigerator, glue gun, grass trimmer, griddle, grill, hair clipper, hair dryer, hard drive, headphone, heating pads, hedge trimmer or hedge cutter, hob, home theater, hot plate, plug, laptop, internet router or wireless router, jigsaw, leaf blower, karaoke machine, lawn mower, light bulb, microphone, massager, pen drive, meat grinder, microwave oven, omelette maker, photocopier, piano keyboard, power bank, plate warmer, pressure washer, clothes iron, printer, power extension cord, power socket, reading lamp or study lamp, patio heater, remote control, scientific calculator, sander, sewing machine, sandwich maker, scales, multimeter, battery, thermostat, smartwatch, power inverter, tubular battery, stabilizer, automotive battery, miter saw, soldering iron, smartphone or mobile phone, tab, speaker, table fan, steamer, water purifier or water filter, straightener, train set, telephone, till, toaster, treadmill, torchlight, tube light, tumble dryer, washing machine, turntable, USB stick, television, watch, waffle maker, vacuum cleaner,